Have you ever wanted to have a mute button really quickly accessible while you're on a Teams call? Well, today I'm going to talk to you on how to create a Teams button on your Elgato Stream Deck app and a hotkey. So let's get into it real quick and dirty. And if you like content like this, please, as always, hit like, comment, and smash that subscribe. But without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to bring back an oldie but a goodie, just like Peter McKinnon used to back in the day. But instead of 2 minutes, I'm going to put 3 minutes on the clock. And right there is our 3 minutes. And so when we talk about our 3 minutes, we're going to be on 3 minute clock and start the clock now. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and open up our desktop. Now, when we bring up our desktop, we'll go ahead and open the Stream Deck app. I'm going to go ahead and create a hotkey. So you can see that I did that here. Hotkey. I drag that over here. I'm going to go ahead and replace it just so I show you what I'm doing. I'm going to type in mute Teams. Super simple. I'm going to hit Command-Shift-M. And just like that, now we have a button on our phone that's going to be muting, or that's going to mute that item. So let's go ahead real quick and bring up a Teams call or Teams test meeting and show you it mutes. Okay. All right. So now that we've go ahead and created that hotkey, I'm going to go ahead and use my phone. I'm going to go ahead and use my phone right here, which has got my Elgato Stream Deck app, and I'm going to go ahead and hit mute. And as I do that, we notice right here, and I'll hit it again, mute, unmute, mute, unmute. Just like that, we've created a hotkey that will mute and unmute our Teams call here on a Mac. Now, this will work on an Android device. This will also work on a iPhone device. And lastly, it will also work on a Windows device as well. So if you have this set up on Windows, you just need to find the hotkey and go ahead and type that in, and just like anything else, it'll get done. So this has been a quick time check. I don't know if I made the 3 minutes, but anyway, if you like content like this, please hit like, comment, and smash that subscribe. And without further ado, this has been another session of Toro Tech, teaching you how to level up your next meeting or your next broadcast, whatever it may be. And as always, do better, be better, because we know better. Till next time, peace.